Hello and welcome back to LearnSBOM. I'm Liam, and today we will be looking at the License Scanner tool from CycloneDX. License Scanner scans files and directories for licenses and related terms. The tool can be used in a command line interface or as a Go module. Today we will be looking at the command line interface. Before installing License Scanner, your system must have Go version 1.18 or newer, which I already have on my device. The repository provides installation instructions for the command line interface, for development, and as a Go module. You can install the command line interface using Go install, which I've already done. We could check that the tool was successfully installed by checking for its help message. We can output the help message with the following input. If successful, the CLI now shows all the flags that can be used with the tool. For this demo, I will mainly be focusing on identifying licenses in directories and files. License Scanner provides several test files and directories to show the basics of this tool. License Scanner also provides a method to get a license file using the curl command. Here is an example. To scan a single file, we can use the following input. If a license is found, the tool will output the license ID, the character length of where the file matches the tool's data, and the copyright info about the license. If you do not want the tool to output the copyright info, you can use the quiet flag. Using this flag, only the license ID and matching character length will output. License Scanner also has a flag to allow for copyright info, which is useful if the file does not already include this info. For files such as the example async file, this does not affect its output. If you want the normalized text version of a license copyright info, you can use the normalized flag. If you want the file's hash, you can use the hash flag to output this along with the license's file info. You can also enable debug logging while it is completing actions and commands with the debug flag. Additionally, you can perform the same checks with a directory of multiple files. Instead of using the file flag, you can use the directory flag and the directory name or path. The tool's repository has a folder of several files that will showcase this. Using this format, it will show you which files do and don't have licenses and their license info. You can use the same flags demoed with a single file as well, and it will perform the action for every file in the directory. License Scanner can highlight certain keywords with the keywords tag. These keywords are hard-coded to look for terms such as public domain, commercial, and license. By default, License Scanner has over 500 licenses and exceptions in their data. You can check all the licenses and exceptions using the list flag. This covers the basics of the License Scanner tool. Other flags allow the user to customize what config files, templates, and SBDX templates to use with the tool as well. However, License Scanner includes a default current release of SBDX license templates already imported, so you would not need to update these often. A few people may want to use an earlier version of these templates, and this tool allows them to do so. Overall, License Scanner does a good job of detecting different licenses and copyright information in a single file or multiple files. I wish that their help screen was a little more verbose in describing what each flag does though, but the README is very thorough. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out and contact us at LearnSBOM.com.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.